I streaming now? Peculiar. I'm gonna just pop out the chat. I don't know why I put myself while I'm using the dashboard. Anyway, so if I go here, pop out, there's my chat, close this. Okay, maybe I'm back in business. We'll see. Ooh, I'm dropping a lot of frames. Oh, it's picking up. It's doing better. I don't know. Maybe. Okay, well it hasn't disconnected, so that's good. Okay, so as far as me parsing this stuff, there's a problem. I'm trying to keep like a buffer of data, like so that the server will know what to do. But the problem here is... Hey, thanks man, I'm back. Oh, I even missed some of your chatting while I was doing it. Oh well, can't read it. It's too small on my little streamy thing. I want to keep a buffer of what was sent, even if I don't have the termination packet, because the termination packet's going to be that new line, carriage return, or the other way around, carriage return, new line. And so the problem is here is that if I made it just a static buffer, all the clients would be using that one buffer, and that's wrong. I don't need to do that. This is what I gotta do. On the telnet server, yes. I'm gonna have another dictionary here, and it can be private. Private dictionary. It will be sockets, and it will be a list of bytes. And so this will be my buffers, or just received lists. This is very bad practice maybe, but this is what I'm going to do. So we're going to have this kind of buffer. Oh, forgot the little parentheses. Per client basically. So here's the deal. Here is the deal indeed. We're going to get the client socket if we're going to say this: if data dot length is greater than 0, which it should be, then if I don't know what I call this already. Client socket. Client received list. Client received bytes. I like it. Alright, if client received bytes that contains key socket, but not contains key, but the opposite, doesn't contain a key, then go ahead and say client received bytes dot add, yes, client socket and a new list of bytes. Awesome. Good deal, good deal. Send a dictionary, also make the dictionary static and read only. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you. And what was the first part? Send a dictionary. Send it how? Private static read only. Love it. Good practice. Like it a lot, Bamboy. Okay, chaka-cha, chaka-cha, chaka-cha. Alright, so yeah, this is us initiating the dictionary if it doesn't exist already. Alright, so we got this dictionary, and then all we gotta do at this point Just say client, what's it? Client received bytes dot, no, client sockets dot add range. Yeah, data. And that's good. We got all the data. Now I kind of just want to go back to doing what I had before, which I will, I think, which is that crazy while loop. While I'm just delete this. So we're gonna have this telnet packet, received packet, and we're gonna just say received packets equals I don't know what happened there, Bamboy. That's crazy. I don't know what you did, dude. I just see message deleted, message deleted, message deleted. Alright, received packets is going to equal to telnet packet dot parse, and it's not going to be bytes anymore. It's going to be client received bytes, client socket. It's going to be a list. Does not equal null. This is still not solving my problem, I think. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. This is solving my problem. This is solving my problem. Alright, so this crazy thing, telnet packet, this list of bytes, what's the problem with this? Cannot implicitly. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, I think that's cool. That should work. Oh man, Nightbot is a jerk. It trolled you. Alright, so here's the other thing I want to do. I'm gonna give it two things: bytes and byte list, bytes and bytes list, and this bytes man, my mind's just broken right now. I think I'm gonna put I here too, because I need all these values. I need bytes, I need byte list, I need all of this. And we'll just say int I, and then just kind of do a quick for loop for int j. I don't know, because I want my I to be here. I equals 0, I less than j, I plus plus, and then we're just gonna say bytes dot remove at 0. So okay, what I'm doing there, just to tell you what I'm doing and tell myself what I'm doing, is here I'm going to be parsing the packet, and if we do have a match of the new line carriage return, we're going to remove the new line carriage return. We're going to remove actually that whole thing from that bytes array that we're creating in Telnet server, and then we are just making a packet out of it. And that should be it, I hope. Okay. Alright. I think we're good. I think we're good. Alright, let's see how that runs. Let's see what happens. Alright, so I'm gonna start this. Alright, it's gonna take a second for it to build. Not a drink. Here we go. Server, yes. Client, yes. Send a byte. 30DA, awesome. And it sends 85 back, cool. So 2. Uh-oh. We screwed something up. Alright, Telnet server, line 49. Let's check it out. Nope, I don't know what you're telling me. An item with the same key has already been added. An item with the same key has already been added. Oh, I see the error. I see the error. My bad. I did a little drinking this morning, or for lunch, and it was too much. I can't handle it. This is funky. I don't know what's going on. Music is scary. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, it's looking good. I'm gonna close this, disconnect it without a problem. I am gonna start another one. 2. Awesome. This seems like it's working fine. Ooh, that should have worked, I think. Well, it's a good start. It's definitely working. Let's figure out how we can I don't know. So what's happening here is it's getting the bytes of this packet, but this packet is getting way too much. So let's go to Telnet packet right quick. So we have this get bytes, but I might have another function just called public string get telnet string, or telnet command. Yes, alright. And so this is right. I'm just gonna look at the bytes, not the bytes, the data. So basically say return encoding ASCII get string, and the bytes array is gonna be data. Oh yeah, data 0 and I guess offset? I think that's how I'm supposed to handle that. And then go back to telnet server. So instead of doing this myself, okay, sorry. I just noticed there's a whole bunch of people chatting. Trying more songs from that guy who did the Torturing Mario. Okay, cool. No stream bot, only Nightbot. Nightbot is love, Nightbot is life. Except for when it kicks you. Yep. What? I'm not well versed. What is Streambot? Okay, back to what I'm doing. I think all I gotta do here is just say received packet.get telnet command. There we go. And hopefully that will fix everything. Client, server, let's give it a shot. Server is awaiting connection, client connects to it, 1, 2, 3. Yep, that's fine, 1337. Oh, come on, that should work. This can be my client. Let's take a look at server. So we're gonna debug the server. In fact, we're gonna put a breakpoint on the server. Server, client. Oh gosh, don't worry about that. Keep playing. Alright, password, 1, 2, let's do the actual password, 1337. Alright, so if I hit F10, what is the current command? Yeah, that should be fine. Let's handle this command, shall we? Okay. I don't know. It said that was fine. Oh, and it said login successfully. Weird. Let's try it again. Alright, play. Control F5. Oh, don't breakpoint. Don't breakpoint, please. Oh my gosh, I don't need breakpoints. Cancel. Stop doing what I'm doing. Control F5 and then play. So which one is which? Alright, this one's the server. This one will be the client. 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 7. Oh, come on. But now I can stop it. So let's see. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna stop this. One, 3, 3, 7. F10. Okay. That's a lot of zeros. Yep, something is wrong here. So let me look at my received packet. Data. My offset's way off. Alright, so something exploded my buffer. I'm gonna assume it's something here or something when I'm doing a create. Okay. Where did I go wrong? I don't know. I think I'm going wrong. I'm gonna step through it. My mind's not working through it, and so when my mind's not working, I like to just step through things. So here we go. Here's my client. Here's my server. I don't even know what you're doing. So here's my server. Here's my client. Let's just send this. Oh wait, we know it's gonna work the first time. That's a shame that I did that. Alright, stop that. Stop this. Client. Server. Alright, so we obviously know. Yeah. Don't like what I just did there. Alright. Client. Server. Server. Client. 1. Continue. Not logged in, right? 2. Not logged in. Okay. Global Game Jam. When is that? And then I'm gonna do 1337. Here we go. F10. Alright, so it is a problem. Okay, cool. So it's still a problem. I didn't need to do all that just to figure that out. Control F5, play. We'll do server. We'll do clients. I probably won't this year because it's on site and my local site isn't letting people use computers. Oh. So there's like different sites everywhere. So let me run through this. So that seemed to be okay. Alright, cool. So that's fine. Please continue onwards. Let's put in a different password, like the correct one, and figure out what's going on. Alright, before I even run this, I'm gonna go look at received packet. Received packet is something huge. Okay. I'm just gonna go to the bottom of it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it just added stuff to the end here. Let's look at clients, received bytes. So it's gonna be this static member, client received bytes for 0, value, key. Okay. I'm gonna check out that link right quick. Alright, so Global Game Jam starts a 2016 Game Jam. Yep. So it's, oh, January 20, yeah, I'm not gonna be part of that. That's gonna be after school starts and everything. Can't make it. Can't dedicate my time to it. But I'm guessing that's the weekend though, right? Oh no, that's like in the middle of the, it's next year, 29. Maybe. I might be able to. I might be able to hang. I'll see. I have to wait till I'm closer to it, I guess. Okay, back to what I'm doing. I want to say my problem with my stuff is here. When I get telnet command. No, not even when I'm doing that. When I'm creating a telnet packet or parsing it, I guess. All right, let me see when I'm creating the. This is where my mistake is. I just want to see client data and bytes transferred. That is where my mistake is. Alright. Data length will always be big. If I'm going to say received is greater than 0, this is how I'm going to do it. For int I equals 0, I less than received, I plus plus. And then what we're going to do here is this dot add data I. That's where I think I needed to do it. Let's see if that helps any. It'll help some, I just don't know if it'll fix the problem. So here we go, F5. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, had something open, sorry. No, don't worry about it, let's try it again. Here it is. Here it is. Server, client, 1, 2, 3, actual password. Oh, I'm gonna need to see what's going on now. Breakpoint, breakpoint. Yeah, that works. 1. Okay. Data is still there. Okay, so I got 3. So what am I going to? Oh yeah, I'm going to this. Going to static members, client received, 0. Value. Wait, what do I have for? 1, 10. It's like it didn't remove something somehow. Because that's the right value. And these are the right values. Just this other one is wrong. That I don't know how that even got there. Alright, we'll just stop every time we do something like this. Nope, cancel, close, Control F5, play. Let's try this again. 1, 2. Alright, so let's send 1. So 1, we're going to get 3 bytes received, hit F10. We're adding, where's, hey, I had to like, click on it. Static, this, 0. Value. Alright, 49. 13. 10, right? There we go. So that's the perfect thing. That's fine. Hit play. It's going to be, you didn't successfully log in. Cool. 1337. Alright, here we go. Right now, value is 10. So I missed out on something. Something didn't remove correctly. I'm already starting incorrectly is what I'm trying to say. This shouldn't be 10. Alright, alright. I'm starting to understand. I'm starting to understand. Server. I went the wrong one's the server. Close. Stop. Control F5. Play. I want the debug the server, the normal guy, client, one's okay. Let's figure out where it goes wrong. Alright, so look, we got 3 bytes. If I go back to client socket, did I already miss what happened here? 0 value. I did, I missed it already. It was somewhere, it's like right here somewhere. Alright, stop. Stop. I think I know where the problem is. Well, I know what function it's under, and let's see what happens. Alright, 2. Let's go 1. Yep. So here's our 3 bytes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's jump in here. See what happens. Alright, byte list I can have open. Alright, is it greater than 2? No, not yet. Is it greater than or equal to 2? Now it is. Is it first one D? No. Oh yes, but not E. Is it A? No. Okay. And then finally this one. Okay. Is it D? No. Is it A? And then D? Yep. Then we do this. Alright. Cool. So here we go. If I look at byte list, it's 1 and the new line of that. Okay, cool. Yep, yep. Alright, and so we have J is equal to 2. Is that all J is equal to? I think it's going to be less than or equal to J, because J is 2, but the size of this whole thing is 3. So we do it 1, 2, done, and that's the problem. Okay, let's go. I'm going for all 3 of them. It makes sense because basically you're never going to be the actual, this for loop's never going to be the actual size of it, so this will never reach 3. This will be stuck at 2. So I might as well make this equal to 2 as well. So okay, that makes sense. It's just not the way I'm used to it. So finally, this should work right here. Ready? Server, client, 1, 2, 3, then new password. Awesome. Test, hello there, blank, nothing, get wrecked, even less nothing. Awesome. It's working. Phew. That was too much just to get packet in there. Alright, but I'm going to close this out now. I'm going to close this out. If true, send packet. Yeah. Why am I getting so deep into this? Alright, anyway. Telnet's working. Telnet's great. So what I'm going to do next? Telnet, everything Telnet seems to be up and running and happy. Oh, let me test it on an actual PuTTY client just to make sure it's all fine and dandy. Where's my Explorer? Do I have it? Let's go there. Go to D drive, apps, PuTTY. Alright, 1. Uh-oh. not like it's not receiving something. Wait, which song? This song that's playing right now? I don't find it bad. I think I'm gonna pin putty onto my start button, just so it's easily accessible. Pin to start. Huh. It's not like it's receiving anymore or something. Let's try this. I'm gonna say, oh Lord, okay. If, client received bytes, client socket, dot count is greater than 0, then you should send something back. You can't send packets. Can I say telnet packets dot create? Oh Lord, what is going on? Yeah. Great. Meow. To array. Maybe? Is that what it wants? Yeah. Thanks for this, I guess. For this song. Alright, we're gonna make a server and a client again. Let's see what happens in this case. Not too much is happening. Yeah, this one's fine. Alright. It's the putty part that I wanted to see what's working. Nah, it's fine, dude. It's good. It's good enough. It still matches my theme of like video game sounding songs on this channel, so I don't mind it too much, actually. I think I'm gonna change this. I think I'm gonna do this. Gosh, yeah, I'm gonna just send. I'm gonna break this telnet thing up a little bit. So this is how we're gonna handle this. All right, all right. I'm getting it. We're gonna do a virtual here, so we can override it on the telnet server. So whenever I get my send callback, here we go. Override, send. Yes, but not quite. I don't want to just send packet like that. So let's see, telnet client. No, telnet packet, if that's an option. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna just say packet p equals new packets, and then p dot append packet dot get bytes. All right, we're gonna get a byte array of bytes equals packet dot get bytes, and then I know what I'm trying to do now. This is pretty cool. I like this. Telnet packets dot termination packet. Nice. Alright, so I got that one. Now I just need to make this p send correctly. So I'm going to say for int I equals 0, I less than packets dot get bytes dot length minus 2 I plus plus. Yep, p dot append packet dot get bytes I maybe, and then just send p in the termination packet. I hope that works. Alright, let's give it a shot. And let's go back to receive callback. I'm not gonna do any of that. Oh, I took it out. Alright, yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright, let's figure this out, shall we? Don't like what happened there. Sent 1024 bytes. It's already not what I wanted. The send, I realized maybe I just need to say offset yes. Nope, don't like it. Yep, break everything. So I'm sending P and termination packet. That's good. P.append bytes I. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, so I'm just gonna say packet.get bytes. Did I mess that up again? Oh, songs. Okay. Really don't like what's happening here. Alright, send. Alright, when you're actually sending this, don't get bytes.length. Oh wait, yeah, that's okay. Bytes. Yeah, this is where I'm messing up here. It's actually it's this guy. No, just a regular server. Here we go. You don't do bytes.length, you'll do packet.offset. Packet.offset. There we go. That's another thing I had to fix, okay? Slowly but surely getting through this. Sent 57 bytes, awesome. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 7. Hello. Test. Nice. Okay, so that's working fine. Alright, you are freaking out every time I exit, so let's figure out what's going on. Talent server 56. Unhailed exception, unhailed exception. The given key was not present in the dictionary. Okay. This is what I'm going to say. If received, do this, go all the way up here, and then just say if received equals 0. I'm going to go less than or equal to 0. That all seems fine. Alright, let's see if that fixes my server some. So far so good. Password looks good. That looks fine. Disconnect it. Close. Clients. Kill 1. Clients. Just do the base dot receive callback sender E. I just want to see what happens. Alright, 1337, then exit. Ah, come on, what happened? Dictionary 2. '53. What's in 53? Oh yeah, that was the normal part. What about above that? Alright, the given key wasn't in the dictionary. Blah blah blah, blah 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 blah, blah 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 blah. Sender socket in line 53. In server line 95. Yeah. I do approve the katamari. Alright. What I'm not feeling so much though right now is this stuff. Alright. I'm gonna run this again. It's gonna fail, but I'm gonna see if I can track it down. The failure. Oh, close all this. Alright, and I'm going to play this. Hopefully this might give me a little more debugging information here. So hit connect, 1, 2, actually connect. Oh man. What's your problem? Oops. I already lost it. Where's the exception or error? No. Invalid operation. Bytes 2, packet offset 2. Don't really see a problem here. A synchronous socket is already in progress using this. Oh no. That is a problem. Using this synchronous instance. Ooh, yeah, that's no good. So yeah, whatever I'm doing is wrong on this thing. Huh? Oh, cause I don't even know what I'm doing. Alright. If someone remixes Bravely default music, how's it still default? Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how. Uh-oh, I hit F5 and you're still running. Sorry. Alright. Control F5, Control F5. Server, client. 1, 2, 3. Actual password test. Get wrecked. Test. Nothing. Exit. It's okay. Let's figure it out. Alright, system collection given was not present in the dictionary. Okay, no problem. Which one? Telnet server, line 57. Yep, I understand. Okay. Let's just do something. Let's just do a test. If client list, client socket, contains key, client socket, and we're gonna do the not contains. Then just return. Don't do anything. I think that's gotta work, right? And that works. That works. All that works. Alright. I'm not gonna fight it from here. Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Server's working okay. So, and I have a nice way of parsing it and all of that, so that's nice. Okay. Does this work with putty? It's always the other thing I want to make sure. If it doesn't really matter to me, but if it does, that'd be great. Alright. Apparently what the server doesn't like, or what I guess the server should be doing, which it doesn't do, is if it receives just a random key, it should send it back. Can wrap and try catch on the exception in case of a dirty disconnect. Oh, interesting. Where do I do that try and catch? On the receive side, I guess? And hey, Ani side. Alright. So on the actual receive, that's gonna be on my server. I gotcha.
Hey, Cutman here. Thanks so much for tuning in to my Shovel Knight remix. I hope you enjoyed it. The game is out now for Wii U, 3DS, and PC. My collaborator on this remix was none other than Kevin Valleco, the guy who spearheaded Year of the Yoshi, which you can listen to in full right here on this channel. And hey, if you like video game remixes, why not take a moment and subscribe to Game Tips?
Alright, I might delete this off of my list. I stole this song and now I don't think I want it. Well, just because it's end part.
Like remixes, I mean, if you made it this far. I'd like to say a big thank you to the YouTube channel Swimming Bird for his awesome long play footage of Shovel Knight, and a snip of my scissors to Yacht Club Games for making such a fun experience. So what was your favorite Shovel Knight track? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for listening.
Cool. All good. Dirty disconnects. Alright, I'm gonna try that, dude. Alright, let's give that a shot. Actually, and let me just remove what I did here, just to see if I need this line anymore. Server, client. So if I go clients, I got my one client, nice test. No, one, yep, that should work. Test. Get right. And exit. Okay, so I still need that check. And I didn't see no dirty disconnects. So it's it does the callback for some reason. So I'm gonna try to just even breakpoint here, just to see what's going on when it tries to do a receive callback with that in the list. Oh, thanks, fanboy. I wasn't sure what I was looking at. Do I still have that? Cool. Thanks, dude. Thanks for that. So anyway, I am... Oh gosh, what did I do? Alright. Telnet server, have that breakpoint. I'm going to go ahead and run a client, then a server over here. 1, 2, 3, 1337, test, blank, get wrecked, some other junk, and then exit. Alright, so this client list doesn't contain anything right now. So it really is just an error on my where am I receipt? So I guess the disconnect already got called, basically. So when does disconnect get called? If I look at my server, but this shouldn't have ran yet. Like, I think this is the only time that should remove. Alright, this will be good. This is fine. I'm happy enough with just that line of code. Maybe it's received callbacking twice for some strange reason. Okay, oh, I forgot to do something here. Delete this, thanks. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? What am I thinking? I had a thought, It's in my head. Oh, something to do with the events. I lost the thought. I lost the freaking thought. Alright. Nope, I lost it. Yeah, man, I was thinking thoughts and now I don't know what I'm thinking. Oh man, it's gonna drive me crazy now. Alright, better not dwell on it. Better just keep moving. Basically, I have a thought of like I accidentally subscribed to something twice. But I can't prove that anyway. Alright, anyway. I got a server plus equals. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, alright, I remember my thought. If I go, holy crap, if I go here to telnet server, if I just return, I'm not doing anyone any good here because I'm not unsubscribing from the event. So I better do base receive callback sender E and then return. Basically base receive callback should always be run. Actually, it almost seems like I could just put it here, right? Because it's got to be run either way. Okay. I think I'm okay with that. I think that's fine. Alright. Yes, yes. I think that's fine. Oh, I broke it. Doesn't like it when I do that. Alright, so where am I screwing up now? 53 on server program. Oh yeah. I don't know. I feel like something's wrong. Alright, so if I go to receive on server, receive callback, if bytes transfer, close, disconnect, remove. (102). Alright, 102 is calling you. Server 102. Yep, that's the one that called you. And then where from there? 57 on telnet server. Yep. Better just say this. That and client socket that is connected. Let's find all reference to client list. Alright, and really the only one I want to see is if you're removing it. So here on disconnect, Yep, this is the only time this would get disconnected. So why would this run twice is what I'm trying to figure out. So let's figure it out. I mean, that's what's happening there. This is running twice. Exit. Or let's give it a password, then exit. I'm sure all this works fine. Hit continue, and then it gets it again. Oh, I should have checked the socket. Gets it twice though, so something screwy. Let's figure it out. Alright, here's the server, here's the client, here's the password, here's the test, here's an exit. Okay, sockets, does it have like a name or something? Like client sockets. 1912, all 1912, okay. Play that again. I guess that would be the right thing to look at. Alright, stop this. Stop this. Control F5. Play. Server. Yep, that works. Test. Exit. Alright, E bytes transferred 0. Okay. Okay. What you sent me there, Ani side? Something awesome. Well, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna say client list dot contains key client socket. So if I get it twice, oh well, I get it twice, no biggie. Alright, I'm okay with that. I mean, it's not the greatest fix, but I really need to investigate why it's happening twice. Why does this happen twice on telnet server. Okay, fine. F5, play. This should have no problems. Test, 1327, test, get wrecked, exit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Darn. Alright, so I was trying to get around that and that didn't really work. Okay, okay. So under server. Duh, okay. I'm just gonna keep doing this check. Okay. Now it will work. No problem. Okay, and so what about putty? Ah. I didn't really investigate if this would work. And it does not. Alright, so let's figure out what's going on here. Telnet client. Where's my telnet client? I think I just called it client. It's actually not the one I want anyway. Telnet server is the one I want it. Okay, so if I didn't get any of these ending characters, what would happen? I would just I just end up receiving again, which is good. So, okay, if you couldn't parse the packet is what it's telling me on my server. Where's my parser? I'm getting sleepy. Alright, if client received bytes client socket dot count is greater than 0, you're just gonna have to keep receiving. Was it client socket? I think so. I think so. I think that's what I had to do. Let's try it. Alright, that seemed to be fine. Let's do putty. Alright, there we go. It's working again.
And those planets now have names for my planet. So that when I look up at the night sky, and I know that yes, we are part of this universe, we are in this universe.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? If I send 1, it gets that. If I send 2, send 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I don't know. I broke the putty somehow. Let's look back at the source tree. Neil deGrasse Tyson, best singer NA in North America? Alright, my eyes are blurring over. And all I gotta think about is how in the world do I figure this out? So when I say receive packet equals telnet parse, let's figure this out. Alright, before I give up, I'm gonna try to see if I can figure this out. Alright, connect. Alright, so if I look at my client received bytes,
Is that the universe is in us.
yep, I don't know what that is, so I'm gonna just hit continue. And I don't know what that is. I'm gonna go ahead and put in a password. Something's off. No, I can't do it. I'm sorry. I'm going to bed. I tried, and this is kicking my butt. So this works, except not in putty. So, gosh, I don't even know where to start with all of this. Oh, is there a raw TCP connection in putty? The thing is, this used to work in putty, and so I did something to break it. But alright, I'll try that out. A raw TCP connection, port 23. Let's open that up. Hold on, if I hit send one. See, what's really bothering me is I send like 2, and it's still just receiving. It might be my code for sure, because it's not receiving what it should. Yeah, 5 hours. Well, there's a whole like 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours of eating and chilling out in there, which isn't part of it. But yeah, way too much time. My eyes are getting droopy, and yeah, I just need to kind of look at the code, not streaming and standing up here. So I'll probably do it offline. But anyway, thanks for kind of hanging out with me. We'll get this done. We'll try it again tomorrow. Oh, before I go, I'm gonna kind of check this all in. But yeah, even with the raw connection, it's still not sending. Just via putty too. It's so weird. And then if I do it via this guy, like, it all seems to be okay. See, I can log in successfully and it all works. So I don't know. I have no idea. But thanks for your help, Oniside. Thanks, Bamboy, for all the great music. I'm gonna check all this in right now before I go. Let's go to Twitch, Tito Fresh, and let's do what, this branches thing. Tito Fresh. Ah! Heard my voice, scared me. My own voice scared me. So yeah, working copy. Stage all of this. Making packets. Making packets for parsing. And broke telnet via putty. Works fine via our own client. That's all I did. Commit all this. Alright, everybody, now I am really gone. So thanks again for hanging out. Bye. Later.